Alright team, let's review these projections. Growth is on the horizon. Let's leverage this momentum. The future is bright.
Hello team, time to tackle our challenges. Let's build our future step by step. Together, we can achieve anything.
These projections are looking good. Let's adjust the strategy here. Perfect, the metrics are aligning. Okay team, ready to build?
Yeah, I've got my wrench and my brilliant idea. Blocks go here. Yay! This is the best party ever! More fun!
I love you both so much.
We love you, Jess!
And you're my little heroes.